Yep, it's back. Upstate New York. This is the weather right now. Snowstorm coming in. And that's why I bought these. The big tubs you see that they always show in the videos, they're real. It's a 4-week survival kit. I have 2 of them. We have Grammy's oatmeal, Dinner Bell, broccoli bake, Alfredo, we got pancake mix, we got powdered milk. I'm ex-military, so we used to drink this all the time. Did 14 years, and these look better than the MREs we used to get. And it's just nice to know that we have this extra food here. They're not real expensive. They're really good people you can talk to if you have a problem. Anything that's ripped open or expired you can get for free. I definitely would go out and buy some. If you don't have any now, I would definitely go buy at least one, but I would get several of these tubs. I have a family of 4, so we are good to go for at least 2 months. It's a nice kit. It's got everything in here. And you can add additional stuff too if you want. Have another one upstairs. I threw a bunch of other stuff in there. A lot of my military gear I threw in there with my food. So all I got to do is pick up my 2 totes. So if you don't have yours, I would go to the website, forpatriots.com, and at least get 2. So peace.